Okie dokie, what we're going to do in the next few videos would be to work with CSS to make this page look a little bit better than it is currently, because right now it looks, well, it doesn't look all that presentable, all right? So what we're going to do in this particular video would be to lay the groundwork for some future CSS. And what I mean by this is we're going to add some HTML tags inside of our template, and we're going to use those tags, those HTML tags, to design the page. So the very first thing I'm going to do right here would be to add over here at the very top, I'm going to add a div, give it an ID, and I'm going to name this the custom posts page. All right. And then what I'm going to do would be to add this as a tab. And then I'm going to close the div down here. That's the very first thing I'm going to do. So right now we can use this ID, this HTML ID, to specifically target this page by using the ID custom posts page. Now the next thing I'm going to do would be to add another div after the loop itself. And I'm going to name this div class equals to custom dash post. All right, let's also make all this into it. Let's turn all of this into a tab. Let's tab that, make this look neat and presentable. Let's close this div as well. All right, so right now we can begin to target every single individual post by simply using the class custom post. Now in here, what I'm going to do would be to add some classes to the tags. So the written by, let's give this a class of post-author. All right, and then the date, we can also give that one a class of post-date. And then finally, last but not least, h3 class equals post- oh, not underscore, but dash category. Okay, I think we're pretty much done. Let's add a class for the title as well, just in case. h2 class equals the post title. Okay, so what we have successfully done here is to lay the groundwork for some future CSS. We've added our ID so we can specifically target this page. We've added the class of custom post so we can target each individual post. And then for the tags, the title, the author, the date, and category, we've added separate classes for them so we can target each one of these individual tags. The post thumbnail, we're just going to leave that as it is for now. If in the future we need to customize it, then we can add a class. But for now, I think we're pretty much set. So join me in the next class where we'll begin to work with some CSS. And let me just go ahead and save this before I forget. And voila. Okay, so that's saved. So I will see you in the next class.